In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins on the Kalos TV, guys. No jailbreak needed. So as you can see, we have tons of coins. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So basically what you want to do is go onto this site right here and just type in Kalos TV and then press on the download button and wait for it to download. So if you have a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long to download the mod. But if you go to the App Store and type in Kalos TV, you can see it is quite expensive. So let me just type it in right here. Just to show you guys, here's the app. And then we go to in-app purchases. And nah, bro. So yeah, I'm not paying for that. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try it out. It's super cool, as you can see right here. So yeah, I mean, this is a pretty legit video, guys. It's fully updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome. It's fully working. Now, one thing you can do is if you go into the settings and go to general and go to background app refresh and make sure this is turned on. Also, guys, go to battery and turn off low power mode. So if you do these things, you should be all set. So pretty cool. So yeah, you just got to go on to the hex mods and you're going to be all set, guys. That's the website where you can download it. So peace out, guys. This is super cool. And yeah, I mean, it's fully updated and everything. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome, as you can see. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So be sure to get the word out, guys, because this is fully updated and everything right now. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty crazy, as you can see. So if you're poor and you need it, then be sure to try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome. It fully works, guys. So yeah, peace out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys. Nah.